Hi and hello everyone. Welcome to this course on new features in Python 3.8. As you all know that 3.8 has recently been released, so I thought of creating a tutorial in which the features or the new features available in 3.8 to be discussed with demo to create an understanding of how these could be useful, and in case if you come across any code that uses one of these features, you will be able to easily recognize it and use it. Besides, if you are new to Python, you should know about the new features that are coming, and by knowing that, you would be able to use it within the code that you will be writing. I hope you will enjoy it. In this course, we'll discuss Walrus Operator, position only operator, f-string support, I square root function, continue with finally, iterator unpacking, reverse dictionary, syntax warning. So there are a lot of new features coming in Python 3.8 and they are all really exciting. When I give you the demo, you will get to know that how useful these could be and how easy the life it makes when these are actually implemented. So let's start.